Good morning, this is your daily outlook for Monday the 31st of October. The euro dropped today against the dollar as the initial euphoria following the EU summit starts to fade. The pair broke below the 140 level, falling as low as 139.74 from 141.70, a decline of 1.4%. The Italian Prime Minister commented on the Eurozone and said that the euro as a common currency hasn't convinced anyone, and added that austerity measures will only work with growth. Versus the Japanese yen, the euro gained 4.2%, rising to 111.60 from 107.06 after Japan stepped in the currency markets to tame the soaring yen. Attention now shifts to the Eurozone Consumer Price Index expected later today. The US dollar edged higher against a basket of currencies today. The dollar gained 5.2% against the Japanese yen after the Bank of Japan intervened in the currency markets for the third time in 2011. The Japanese Finance Minister explained the move, saying that a strong yen poses a high risk for the country's exports and threatens its economic recovery. He also said that the central bank remains ready to step in to take measures against speculative moves and when the fundamentals of the Japanese economy are not reflected in the market. The intervention pushed the pair as high as 79.51 after the fall to a record low at 75.56. The Australian dollar plummeted today on speculation the Reserve Bank of Australia may cut interest rates at the monetary policy meeting tomorrow. Data showed that inflation slowed in the third quarter after the Consumer Price Index gained 0.6%, down from a previous 0.9%. Falling commodity prices also weighed on the Aussie, and against the dollar it slid to 105.06 from 107.31 trading on Friday. Looking at commodities, we saw oil prices edge lower, falling to $92.24 a barrel from $93.53. Gold dropped to $1,704.33 an ounce today from $1,744.79. Silver dropped also to $34.11 an ounce from $35.44. So let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot point is at 141.10 with a preference to enter into short positions at 141.10. The dollar-yen pivot point is at 77.90 with a preference to enter into long positions at 77.90. The Aussie-dollar pivot point is at 106.56 with a preference to enter into short positions at 106.56. The sterling-dollar pivot point is at 160.35 with a preference to enter into short positions at 160.35. And the dollar-CAD pivot point is at 0.9950 with a preference to enter into long positions at 0.9950. And looking at commodities, the oil pivot point is at 92 with a preference to enter into long positions at 92. The gold pivot point is at 1728 with a preference to enter into short positions at 1728. And the silver pivot point is at 34.85 with a preference to enter into short positions at 34.85. And of course, for up-to-date information, please visit our website. On today's calendar, the market movers are the EU unemployment rate in September forecast to remain unchanged at 10%, EU Consumer Price Index in October forecast to fall 2.9%, and CAD Gross Domestic Product in August forecast to gain 0.2%. Now on to equities. In Europe, they were mixed, with the FTSE down 0.20%, the DAX was up 0.13%, and the CAC was down 0.59%. In the US, they were positive, with the SP 500 up 0.04% and the Dow was up 0.18%. In Asia, at the time of writing, the Nikkei was down 0.69% and the Hang Seng was down 1.15%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma Andre from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.